time for the $500 trading tips, and we will be checking this out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. If you have any question at all, you can drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. These are the assets I will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. So guys, quickly, let's go straight into what we are right here, starting with GainX 1200. Okay, guys, this is GainX 1200. I'm on 15-minute time frame. Okay, just like I have explained in the morning, this actually was on downtrend before, but it got to this support and wasn't able to break out from it. Tried to go back on uptrend, and it had a pullback and went back up, and it broke the structure at this point. Okay, it broke the structure at this point to get to a new level. Okay, right from there, it is pulling back right now. Once it is done with the pullback, then it will go back up to break out from this structure again. This will still be more of an uptrend. However, it is selling at the moment. Okay, so once it is done with the pullback, then it will continue with the uptrend. Okay, so this is very important. Next asset is going to be GainX 999. Let's check it out together. So guys, this is GainX 999. These have been on downtrend right from here, guys. We actually milked this asset till it got to this region. We didn't know that it's going to break out from here. It broke out from the support zone and even gave us more selling opportunity. It is at another support zone right now. If it breaks out below it, then it's going to sell more. But if it does not, it will go back into an uptrend. But for now, it is still selling until it is unable to break out from there. Next asset is going to be PayNext 1200. Okay, guys, this is PayNext 1200. This started an uptrend right from here, and we can see it killing it and killing it. There are pullbacks in between, but it's more of an uptrend than a downtrend, and it is still buying right now. Okay, it is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Next asset is going to be PayNext 999. Let's check it out together. This is PayNext 999. PayNext 999 had been on uptrend for a very long time. However, it has gotten to this resistance and it has not been able to break out from there. So this is trying to go back on downtrend right now. If it breaks out from this particular spot, okay, then it's going to sell more. Okay, so this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity if that happens, and at the moment it is still selling. Okay, the last asset is going to be FX volume 80. Let's check it out together. This is FX volume 80. This had been on downtrend right from here, got to this region, had a pullback and came back down to give us a proper selling opportunity, and we actually made this particular asset last week, and of course it got to this region. Okay, it was unable to break out from here, so it's tried an uptrend but got to here, and it's going back on downtrend again to try out this support zone. If it does not break out below it, then definitely it's going to buy right from there. Actually, I'm expecting the buy signal. Okay, however, it is still selling at the moment to try out this particular support zone. Okay, if it breaks out below it, it's going to sell more, but if it does not, then it should be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. But for now, it is still selling until it is unable to break out from there. Okay, so this is very important. It is still selling until it is unable to break out from there. So these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, can you go back to my channel, watch my training video very well, practice very well on your demo account before trying it out on your real account. I will be stopping right here. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.